Fire alarm system test 31. My name is Leo, and today we got something really cool to show you here in the system right here. We got something really cool to show you. We got 9/11 fire alarms here. So the reason why we got 9/11 alarms because in September 2001, there was like 300 people in the airplane, and you also know what happened. The airplane crashed into the two towers, and now normally the smoke came out of it, and then also 300 people died as well. And also the pilot cannot control the wheels and stuff. And also that the towers are also collapsed as well. You guys never watched that before, but it's actually on the news. Like an older video, but we're gonna go ahead and get started. So I was basically trying to film this on September 11, 2025. But right now, I just did it like today. We got everything here. We're going to go ahead and get started. Once again, I do not have any smoke alarms right here because they're taking down 9-hour fire alarm system right now. But we got something really cool to show you. We're going to go ahead and get started with this. This one right here. I got my Simplex 2099 9799 pull station right here. Because if there's an X right here, that's the model number. And this one right here, the one next that's connected to my Simplex pull station, we got the System Sensor SBSW speaker strobe. And this one will be set to building number 7. And right here, I got my Gentex Commander 3 chime. And the strobe is going to be on 16 candela. And right here, I got my switch cover for this. So this one's actually connected to my light switch here. We're going to go ahead and do that right now at the end of this. So we're going to go ahead and get started. So as you can see, the strobe is going to go off and the speaker is going to try to go off too. But we'll be playing the voice evacuation message at the end too. At the end of the video. So here we go. So the speaker was set on to building number 7. We're going to go ahead and pull the fire alarm. Starting in 3, 2, 1. Alright, we're going to go ahead and reset this. Alright, I think this one actually took a silence to reset. But why not? And also, you can also key activate the fire alarm as well. And yeah, that's going to be really cool. But I just had I just got my speaker strobe. The speaker is actually connected to my school Chromebook, which I always have here. And then the pull station is connected to the strobe, which is nice. But now we're going to do key activating. It's going to be really cool. Ready? You ready? 3, 2, 1. Uh-oh. Now that sounds really nice, I believe. Okay? Alright, now we're gonna go ahead and demonstrate the other fire alarm right here. This one right here, I got my own fire alarm, or I can say medical emergency alarm, because as you can see, the horn is set on chime, which is really cool. And yes, I had like tape inside of it because like normally it could block the sound. But chimes are really quiet actually. Yeah, see the marks right here? Yep. The marks are covered. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and do the alarm. So this one we're gonna go ahead and simulate that. So this one right here, I got my light switch that's connected to my Gentex Commander 3. This one's gonna sit on chime. And the speaker right here will be playing the Simplex medical emergency alarm, and this one's gonna be on Simplex. So we're gonna go ahead and lift the cover and then just pull down that switch. Alright, that's that. Alright, so as you can see on my own computer, this computer right here, I have the whoop coming out of the speaker, but it's a different one. A different sound on that. So the speaker, this one, will be playing a different message if I pull down the fire alarm. But anyways, we're going to simulate the emergency now and see if it's going to work. In 3, 2, 1. Alright. We're going to go ahead and reset the pull station. Hey, will you watch? Yeah, watch the strobe flash, because we do have audible silence here. Alright, now let's go and reset this. Alright. Or rather, like, say, I'd rather just pull down the fire switch. Stupid. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and pull down the fire alarm. Alright, let's try this one more time. That was quick. Alright. So, as you can see, we're just going to go ahead and pull the fire alarm once again to see how it's supposed to work. But I'm not going to play the speaker. I'm just going to test out the strobe. But anyways, here we go. Yeah, only the strobe right here is actually flashing. Alright. Alright, now we're going to start off with building number 7. But building number 7, here we go. Alright, so the strobe is flashing. We're going to go ahead and reset this pull station with our Simplex B key. And it resets. And also the lever is spring loaded. Right here. Yep. Alright. So I think that's out of this menu board. I mean, demo system, fire alarm system test 31. Alright, everyone. Have a great day.